Hello loves, welcome to my channel. So today I made a oxtail soup and it's keto friendly. It's so good and it's so tasty and I love it. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So first we boil the oxtail. So you should clean it and wash the 1 kilo of oxtail. So this recipe is like a Filipino style. And put the oxtail on the water. So our fire is about medium-low fire. Now add some salt and pepper. So it's up to you how much you want. Some Bayleaf dried. And I grated a 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and simmer for 1 hour. So this is ready. If the oxtail is soft already, remove it from the fire and put in the bowl. So our oxtail is so smooth and soft. It's so good. Now let's prepare a pot with put a oil, a garlic grated, and 2 teaspoons of grated turmeric and some cut onions, and saute everything. Now I like my soup tastes like anise, so I put some anise. And I add also turmeric powder. So about 1 teaspoon. And if you like, you can put also spicy paprika. Or if you don't like, you can use the sweet paprika. About 1 teaspoon also. And mix it. We call it in Philippines Balbacua, this kind of soup. Now add 1.5 liter of water. And add the oxtail soup we made and the oxtail. Now cover about 15 to 20 minutes low fire. So our soup is ready. And add the last one is I cut some green onions. And I also add more salt on it. So I'm using a Himalayan salt because it has more benefits, I think. You can search it. Look, the fat of the oxtail, so good. And that's it. You can serve it with your favorite cauliflower rice or shirataki rice if you will follow keto diet and low carb. And garnish it some chili powder. I hope this recipe will satisfy your cravings into this soup. So thank you and God bless. Love you all.